So what is our given information? Given information is
Wooden stick
was 52
chosen
centimeter
meter
and 8
8
millimeter long
long
and 12 centimeter and 5 millimeter of it
of this
was
was
used.
chose.
Okay, very good. So that is our given information. A wooden stick was 52 centimeter, 8 millimeter long, and 12 centimeter, 5 millimeter. It was used. Okay, so that is the given information. So that is our step 1. Okay, look at here. This is our step 1. So what is our step 2?
We plan.
We,
We plan.
very good. We plan. So what we will do in we plan again?
Answer.
We we
Number
will
number
we will draw a
is
bar
number something.
model. Okay, we will draw a bar model. Okay, remember? And we plan, we have a bar model. Okay, so this is the example of bar model. So this is the full length of the wooden stick. So remember here, the picture. This is the full length of the wooden stick. So it means that is the length of the wooden stick is 52 centimeter and 8 millimeter. And its use is 12 centimeter, 5 millimeter. So this is the one that we use. So X already. So what is, the question is what is the length of the wooden stick left? So here, what is the wooden stick left here? Okay, so we don't know. So what is the operation that we will use? You know what is operation that we will use? The key word here is left. What is left? What operation that we will use? Minus, plus, times, or divide? What operation that we will use? The keyword here is
Minus.
very good, minus. So remember, if you remember, if you know, if you saw this word, this is left, the left word, you will use always minus, okay? Always use minus if you saw this word left, okay? Meaning if left, that is minus, okay? So now we know already the minus. So we know already the operation that we will use is minus. So now what is the third, the step 3? Step 3. What is our step 3? We solve. Okay, we solve. So in we solve, what is in we solve? What we will write? What
Answer.
we, okay, number
Sentence.
sentence. So what is our number sentence?
Number sentence.
What is our number sentence? Who can answer?
5
52 centimeter, 8 millimeter, minus, what what we will minus?
12
12
centimeter.
okay, very good. And
12
5
centimeter.
and 5 millimeter. So that is our, so this is our number sentence. So 52 centimeter, 8 millimeter minus 12 centimeter, 5 millimeter. So that is question mark. So we don't know the answer. So it means, and we solve also, we have to answer the
Easy one.
Questions. We answered the
Number
question. So what
one.
will be the answer? 52 centimeter, 8 millimeter, minus 12 centimeter, and 5 millimeter. What is the answer?
Eight.
So 8 minus 5.
8 minus 5 equal 3.
Okay, 3 millimeter. Okay, we will write this one. Don't forget. Okay, now 52 centimeter minus 12 centimeter. So 2 minus 2.
Equals 0.
0. Okay, very good. So 5 minus 1.
Equal 4.
4. Okay, very good. So that is 40 centimeter. Okay. I will write properly. Okay, so this is, okay, so 40 centimeter, 3 millimeter. Okay, so now what is, so it means the length of the wooden stick is
Left is
40 cen-
centimeter. Centimeter.
and
And 3 millimeter.
very good. So 40 centimeter and 3 millimeter. Okay, so what is our last steps?
Four.
We
Check. Check.
Very good. We check. So now
Check.
we have to check the answer. So in we check, we have here 40 centimeter and 3 millimeter is shorter. Okay. Shorter
Then
than
down
52
52
centimeter
centimeter.
and 8 millimeter. So the 40 centimeter and 3 millimeter is a reasonable answer. So it means our answer, the 42 centimeter, is correct. Okay. So that is how we will answer the problem solving. Okay. So let's proceed to your next. So let's have here page 32 in your book. So I have here, so look at here, it said here, a tailor. Okay, you know what is tailor? The one who make a dress. Okay, so this one, the dress. The one who make a dress. So a tailor uses 1 meter, 20 centimeter of cloth to make shirt. Okay, so this is the shirt. Okay, this is shirt. Okay, the example of shirt of a man. And he uses 1 meter and 50 centimeter more clothes to make a blouse. So this is the blouse. Okay, so that you understand what is blouse. So this is blouse for women. Okay, so this is blouse and this is shirt and this one is a cloth. Okay, cloth. Okay, this is the example of cloth to make a blouse and shirt. Okay. So a tailor, so we know the question here is how much cloth does he use to make the shirt and the blouse all together? Okay, again, he said that a tailor he a tailor uses 1 meter and 20 centimeter of cloth to make a shirt. So it means if he will make a cloth, the measurement is 1 meter and 20 centimeter. Okay, for shirt. So this one, the shirt. So this is example of shirt. So it means if the tailor will make a shirt, he will use only 1 meter and 20 centimeter of cloth. Okay, so this is, and next he used 1 meter and 50 centimeter more. Okay, it means more. There's a lot of the more cloth to make a blouse than a shirt. Okay. Another the question here. This is the question. Okay, remember this is the question. This is our question. Okay, so the question here, how much cloth does he use to make the shirt and the blouse all together? So how many cloth that he will use to make the two, to make the blouse and the shirt together? Okay. So now I will have you the clue. The word here, the operation that we will use, we have the clue here, okay? This is the clue all together. So if you will encounter this one, if you will know this word, the operation that we will use is minus. Okay, remember, if all together you use the operation minus. If this word, what we will use? Left. What operation that we will use? What operation that we will use if this word is left? What operation? If you know this word, what operation that we will use is minus. Okay, minus. Okay, all together you will use the plus. If left, you use minus. Okay, the operation that you will use. Now, so we can only, because the word here, the keyword here is all together. So we have just add, or we just have to plus it together. So 1 meter, 20 centimeter plus 1 meter and 50 centimeter is equals to 2 meter and 70 centimeter. Okay, so that is the use of to make a cloth. Okay, to make a blouse. So the tailor will need to use 2 meter and 70 centimeter of cloth to make a blouse. So this is the blouse. Okay, this is the blouse. So he need 2 meter and 70 centimeter. Okay, he need 2 meter and 70 centimeter of cloth. Okay. Now let's have to find how how much cloth. Okay, we will have to find how much cloth will be how much cloth does tailor will use. Okay, so we have here 1 meter. So 1 meter and 20 centimeter. So what is 1 meter and 20 centimeter? What is that? What is that? That is the shirt or the blouse? What is 1 meter and 20 centimeter? Who can answer? What is 1 meter and centimeter?
Shirt.
Okay, this is the length of the cloth. Okay, shirt. How about 2 meter and 70 centimeter? What is that? What is that? What cloth
Blouse.
is this? For
Blouse.
blouse. Very good. For the blouse. Okay. So we already know the the cloth that we will use. Okay. So in shirt we will use 1 meter and 20 centimeter. In in making a blouse is we will need 2 meter and 70 centimeter. So again, we just add it together. So the answer is 3 meter and 90 centimeter. So it means he uses 3 meter and 90 centimeter of cloth to make a shirt and blouse all together. So he needs how many how many meter and centimeter? So how much cloth does he use to make the shirt and the blouse all together? How much cloth? What is the answer of this? How much cloth does he use to...
90 centimeter.
Okay, very good. So he used 3 meter and 90 centimeter of clothes. Okay. So let's have here a practice. That is page 33. So let's have a practice. Okay, so this is a given already. The operation that we will use is times. So multiplication, so it's already here. So here, okay. So the distance between town W and town Y. So this is town W and town Y is 8 kilometer and 250 meter. Okay. The distance between town Y, okay, town Y and town Z is 3 times. Okay, again, times. That is 3 times. Okay, 3 times as long as the distance town Y and town W and town Y. The question here is what is the distance between town Y and town Z? So town Y. This is town Y and this is town Z. So what is the question is what is the distance? So we don't know. We just only know is 3 times. Mean 3 times. Okay, so this is 3 times of the distance. So what you will write here? What is your answer? What is our number sentence? What is our number sentence? That is page 33. Page 33. So what is your answer? What is our number sentence? Okay, here, this is 8 kilometer. We need to convert first. Remember, the unit is meter only. So we have here 8 kilometer, 250 meter. Okay, so we need to convert this one into meter. So remember, 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meter. So how many kilometer in meter? That will be 8,000 meter. Okay, 8,000 meter. So plus 250 meter, that is equals to 8,250
Meter.
meter. So it means we know already because we just convert this one. So this here is 8,250 meter times what times? What we will times? Times times what number? Times by Who can answer? Times by?
3.
Okay, times by 3. Remember? That is 3 times. Here, 3 times. I write here. 3 times as long. So, 8,250 meter times 3 is equals to, what will be the answer? What is your answer? What is your answer?
Teacher, finish.
Okay, so what is your answer? Okay, what is your answer here? 8,250 times 3. That is 24,750 meter. Okay, so that is the answer. So the distance between town Y, it means the distance between the town Y and town Z is 24,750 meter. So that is the answer, 24,750. Okay, finish. Finish. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Again, express your answer in millimeter. So we have here a ribbon 50. So we have the example. This is the ribbon, okay? This is the ribbon. The ribbons have 58 centimeter and 5 millimeter long, and it's cut into 3 equal pieces. So one, 2, 3. Okay, it cut into 3 equal pieces. The question here, what is the length of each piece of ribbon? So what is the length? So what is the length of each piece? So we don't know the length of the ribbon. Okay, so that is the one that we will looking for. Now, it said here, express your answer in millimeter. So look at here, millimeter already. So it means we have here the given is 58 centimeter and 5 millimeter. So first, you have to convert the 58 centimeter and 5 millimeter. So what will be if you convert into millimeter? What is the answer? If you convert 58 centimeter and 5 millimeter in millimeter, what will be? Who can answer?
585.
85.
Okay, very good. That is 585. Okay, so we know already 585 millimeter. So we have here, so we will write here 585 millimeter divided by, so what we will divide? What we will divide? We will divide by,
3.
very good, divide by 3. So 585 millimeter divided by 3. So what is the answer? Finish.
One hundred and 95.
Okay, 100, oh, sorry, 195 millimeter. Very good. So the length of each piece of ribbon is 95 millimeter. So it means this is the length of each ribbon is 195. Here 195 and here 195. Okay, finish. Okay, let's proceed to page 34. Okay, I write the page here. So can you see the page? So we have here the distance from Peter's house. Okay, so this is Peter's house, the green, and Ravi's house is the orange. Orange. Okay, so the distance of Peter and Ravi's is 6 kilometer and 750 meters. So look at here, the distance. Okay, from the house. Next is Ravi cycles from his house to the park. Okay, cycles, it's like bicycles, motorcycle. Okay, there can be cycles. Okay, that is the example. Okay, if you understand cycles, that is he can use either bicycle or motorcycle. Okay, so he said Ravi cycled from his house to the park. Okay, so Ravi's house from his house to the park. So this is Ravi's house and to the park. So the distance of Ravi's house and to the park is 4 kilometer and 350 meter. Okay. So the question here, how much farther? You know farther? Far, very far. Okay, far. So that is meaning farther. This is near and very far, far. Okay, far. That is the meaning of far. So how much far does Ravi need to cycle to Peter's house from the park? So look at here. Can't you see the question? So this is the question mark. So from the park So it said here, Ravi used bicycle going to the park. Okay, so Ravi stopped. Okay, so Ravi stopped from the park, and now Ravi will go to the again to the Peter's house. Okay, so the distance is we don't know the question mark. So that is why there is a question. The only we know is the Ravi's house to the park. Okay, to the park. And also we know the distance between the Ravi's house going to the Peter's house directly. Okay, no need to go to the park. Okay, so that is the distance. So what will be our number sentence? Who can answer our number sentence? Who can answer number sentence? What will be our number sentence? Okay, you answer and we will answer it together. We will check it after. Just tell me if you finish and we will. You have any questions? Okay, so what operation that you will use here? The word is farther. What operation that you will use? You can answer. What operation? Okay, the operation that we will use is minus. Okay, minus. The operation that we will use is minus. So the operation we will use is minus. Okay. So what is our number sentence? Wants to answer our number sentence. What is it here? Okay. So what is our number sentence? Okay. So our number sentence is 6 kilometer 750 meter minus what we will minus? What we will minus? What we will minus? 4 kilometer and 50 meter. Okay, so what is the answer? So this is 5. Okay, this is 5. Okay, so what is the answer? 2 kilometer and 400 meter. So it means Ravi needs to cycle 2 kilometer and 400 meter. Okay, did you understand? Okay, finish.
Finish.
Okay. So letter B. So in letter B is during a sport event, okay, a competitor run, okay, run from 26 kilometer and cycled 49 kilometers. So mean cycle that was he used bicycle. Okay, he ran and after he ran he used bicycle. Okay, so he ran first from 26 kilometer and he used bicycle for 49 kilometer. So the question is how far did the competitor run and cycle all together? All together. So if you will add 26 kilometer and 49 kilometer, what will be the answer? What is the answer? What is our number sentence? The given is 26 kilometer and 49 kilometer. And it said they're all together. What operation that we will use? What operation that we will use here? Minus, plus. What operation that we will use here? It is a plus. Okay, is it plus? So it means 26 kilometer plus 49 kilometer. So what is the answer? So 26 kilometer plus 49 kilometer. What's the answer? So the answer is 75 kilometer. Okay, so it means the competitor ran and cycled for 75 kilometer all together. Okay, finish.
No finish, no finish, no finish. Teacher. Teacher, no finish. Letter B.
Oh, letter B.
Yes. No finish. Letter B, teacher. Letter A.
Letter A, this one.
Yes, teacher. Thank you.
You're welcome. Finish.
Finish, teacher. Finish.
Okay. So let's proceed to B. Okay, finish. So let's proceed
Finish.
to, okay, let's proceed to letter C, that is page 35. Okay, so here the box is 23 centimeter 5 millimeter tall. Okay, so this is the box. It means it said tall. So this is how tall is the box. Okay, so this is the one. So it said box is 23. Okay, 23. 20. That is 23 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Okay, 23 centimeter and 5 millimeter. And the question here is what its length is 12 centimeter and 7 millimeter more than its height. So what is the length of the box? Okay, so what is the length of the box? So what operation that we will use here? The keyword here is more than, means the operation that we will use is plus. So that is plus. So what we will plus? What we will plus here? So what we will plus? That is 23 centimeter and 5 millimeter plus 12 centimeter and 7 millimeter. So what is the answer? If you plus 23 centimeter and 5 millimeter plus 12 centimeter and 7 millimeter, what is your answer? What is it? 30? 30 what? 36 centimeter and 2 millimeter. So the length of the box is 36 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, finish.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, so let's proceed here. Letter D, page 35. So letter D, a stainless steel bar. So this is the stainless steel bar. So this is example. Is 16 centimeter. So 16 centimeter and 20. Oh, sorry. That is 16 meter. 16 meter and 20 centimeter long. And it was cut into 4 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the length of piece of stainless bar? So what is the length of each bar? So what is the operation that we will use here? Okay, no, the keyword here is equal. So equal, if you will encounter the word equal, that will be divide. Okay, remember equal, always use the operation of division. So it means what we will divide. What we will divide. What we will divide. What we will divide. What are number sentence? So what we will divide? We will divide 16 meter and 20 centimeter divided by how many steel bar that it was cut? That will be how many? 1, 2, very good. That is 4. So 16 meter and 20 centimeter divided by 4. What is your answer? 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4? Okay, 16 divided by 4. What is the answer?
ได้เท่าไหร่คะนักเรียนคำตอบ
4.
Okay, 4 meter. 20 divided by 4. That is 5. 20 divided by 4, that is equals to 5. So that will be 5 centimeter. So the length, okay, very good. So the length of each piece is 4 meter and 5 centimeter. Okay. Okay, so it's already time 1:31. So you can write this one. You can look back at the video, okay? So thank you everyone. Oh, okay, you can answer page 36. Okay, page 36 and page 37. Page 36 and page 37. Okay, your homework. Okay, so if you are not finished, you can look back the
No.
video. You can look at the video. Okay, because it's already overtime. It's overtime already. Okay, so thank you everyone. Have a good day.
คุณด้วยคะวันนี้ไม่มีการบ้านเหรอคะ
มีค่ะนักเรียนหน้า36 37ค่ะการบ้าน
ต้องถ่ายส่งหน้าไหนคะ
ถ่าย36กับ37ส่งค่ะ
หน้า36หน้า37เป็นหน้าที่ไม่ได้ทำเนี่ยครู
ใช่แต่ที่เชอร์ทำเป็นการบ้านค่ะ
อ๋อ shit หน้า37เป็นโจทย์ปัญหาด้วย